Quantum Jeremy here at Dynamic Martial Arts, and I'm going to show you how to make a kicking target out of a magazine and duct tape, and we're starting right now. Alright, so what you're going to need is a roll of duct tape and a magazine. In this case, I'm using the 2019 Century Holiday Catalog. So anyway, what you're going to do is take a length of duct tape and rip that off about either the width or the length of your magazine. Rip that thing, put it on there so it's over about half, so there's about half the duct tape left, and then fold it over the edge of the magazine to hold it all together. Okay, do the same on the other end. Again, just ripping approximately. I don't think this has to be an exact science. But yeah, put it on there about halfway, just like you did before. Again, fold that over the edge. So you just have a nice clean edge. It holds the magazine closed. And you do the same for either the long edges or the short edges. Come on, you might as well enjoy this while you're doing it. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing over here. Again, leaving myself enough room, press that down nice and firm, wrap that around the edges, and do the same thing for the last side. We could thank Hanshi Dave Kovar. I went to one of his workshops a long time ago, probably 2 decades ago. We were down in Sacramento, and the instructor team from our Ernie Reyes West Coast School in Reno were down for one of his workshops, and he showed us that this was one of his highly specialized martial arts training devices. They had a stack of these in the corner, and you'll kick right through these over time. The pages will get torn up, the cover gets torn up. When you can't use it anymore, make a new one. All right, happy training.